Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating piece of code that creates a stunning, amazing text effect using HTML and CSS. We'll be diving into the details of this code snippet step by step, so let's get started. Here we have a code snippet that starts with an HTML structure enclosed within an element with a class of container. Inside the container, we have three elements, two heading elements with the text sunflower, and an element with a source attribute pointing to an image file called im.png. The first line you see is a universal selector, denoted by the asterisk, which sets the box sizing property to border box. This ensures that the width and height of elements include the padding and border, rather than just the content. The next rule sets the background of the body to black, giving the whole page a dark background. Now, let's focus on the styles applied to the container class. The container is positioned absolutely and centered both horizontally and vertically on the page using the transform property with translate values. This means that regardless of the screen size, the container will always be in the center. The container has a fixed height of 10 m and a width of 45 m, making it a horizontal rectangle shape. These dimensions can be adjusted to fit your desired layout. Moving on to the headings inside the container, we can see that they are styled to have a white color, a font family of Poppins, and a large font size of 7.3 m. The headings are positioned absolutely within the container and have a line height of 0, which removes any extra space around the text. Now, let's take a look at the element. It is positioned absolutely within the container, and its width is set to 25 m. Similar to the container, it is centered horizontally using the transform property with translate values. This ensures that the image remains centered even if the container's dimensions change. Additionally, the image has an animation applied to it. The animation is called spin and lasts for 8 seconds. It has an infinite loop and a linear timing function. The spin animation rotates the image by 360 degrees, creating a spinning effect. Lastly, we have a CSS rule that targets the third heading element inside the container using the nthchild pseudo class. This heading is given a transparent color, but it has a 3-pixel wide stroke of #FFB406 applied to it using the WebKit text stroke property. This creates an outline effect around the text. This code snippet combines HTML and CSS to create a visually striking, amazing text effect. Feel free to experiment with the code, adjust the dimensions, colors, and animation properties to make it your own. I hope you found this code breakdown informative and inspiring. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials and creative web design ideas. Until next time, happy coding!